machine with the cover open so we can more easily see how it works. We do not recommend that you do this in production. We are going to bind 3 different books with 3 different thicknesses with 1 minor adjustment. We've placed 3 different size covers in the cover feeder so as to accommodate the varying book thicknesses. The machine employs full roughing and notching. A side glue pot and glue pot with 3 glue rollers ensures an even application. The nipper pressure and dwell time are adjustable. Wasn't that easy?